What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own robot barista. Watch. Go to the coffee shop. Would you like to order? The options are, so you just put in an option, and it says, so I'm going to show you how to make this. To do this, we're going to use a set of variables and inputs and prints. So just to have a little print, you can just do, print, parentheses, quotations, and you can have something like hello world, and it displays that right there. So what you want to do is you want to start by making a few variables, like use the input function for a name, hold on, name equals input, what is your name? Okay, what is your name? So what I like to do here is I'd like to do the \n, because what that does is it makes the input down here and it looks a little better. What you can do now is that you can actually print, and you don't need quotations since it's a variable, name. And what I like to do, again, is just two quotations, /n, whatever. I like mine 2 lines down. You can do whichever one you want. Run it. Ooh, right, because forgot to add a plus. Boom, so I put in my name. Look, 2 lines down, it prints what you put in. So we can use this to our advantage while we are making our robot barista, because that is pretty cool. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is add a name thing like we just did right here. What is your name? So you put in your name. Nice. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, you put in your name, and then it should say something like, hello, and then you go out of it, plus name, because that just adds the name to the string. Try it out, actually. Boom. Isn't that cool? You can put in anything you want too. All right. Hello, name. Welcome to the coffee shop. By the way, this is inspired by Network Chuck, so if you want to check him out, I guess. All right. So we have this. Hello, your name. Welcome to Network Chuck. Welcome to the coffee shop. All right. Nice. So we actually add /n, so it looks a little better. Is your name? And I think I'm gonna add like a little, like that. Okay, welcome to the coffee shop. Cool. Now, we should have it print the menu. Let's see, what should be in the menu? Menu equals, well, we can't use an input. We can't use a print. So we're going to use something called an array. So what this does, you do it by 2 bars, and you can add something. You could add numbers, but we're going to add strings, like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 different choices. latte, and cappuccino. Right, looking good. So we add that, and what this does right here is it stores these two things. So if we were to print it, it would say latte cappuccino right on this line. Geez, my drawing sucks, doesn't it? Alright, so yeah, there's that. Okay, something fell out of my pocket. Alright, so what we want to do is, look, we can just print menu, right? Put in a random thing, latte, cappuccino. See? It even uses the bars right there. Because like I said, it prints the entire menu. So yeah, there's that. Now that you know what arrays are, we can use that to our advantage. This right here, we can do, hello, welcome to the coffee shop, and then we can print something like, the menu is, right, plus menu. But what we can do to make it a little bit better is not that. Hold on, I'm messing up. To actually add these. So now, ooh, can only concatenate string, not list, to string. So you can't print out the entire menu. The problem is, since we have the array, it can't concatenate, which is just display, the array. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take off the array and do that. That way we can see the choices without an error. Okay, so now we have the menu, and menu is that. So how do we make our input? Try and do this yourself. Like, pause the video and try to make an input that asks what you would like to order. Okay, you're back. Already? Alright, cool. If you couldn't do it, that's perfectly fine. It doesn't matter. So what we want to do is make something like this right here. Again, with the bad circle. We want to make a name equals input, like a variable like this, with the variable here, and an input right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new variable called choice, right, equals input of what would you like to order. Okay, and then based on that, print good will have that, like whatever they ordered, we'll have that plus choice. Make sure you add spaces. Ready in 5 minutes. So what's your name? Okay, that's your name. What would you like to order? I want a latte. Have that latte ready in 5 minutes. Actually gonna add a slash n here, a slash n there, because it looks a little wonky, doesn't it? What would you like to order? Let's see. I would like to order Alright, so this is just like a basic little thing. And if you like that, I'm not going to beg for subscribers or whatever. Just share with a friend. In the next video, we'll be covering how to make sure they say cappuccino or latte and not something goofy like goofy, right? We'll have that goofy ready in 5 minutes. How can you get that ready? Alright, well, that's it. See you in the